Hey guys, it's Raze in the building. I appreciate you guys for always coming back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to my channel, my mission is to help simplify trade for beginners and also educate aspiring traders. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about top-down analysis. So okay guys, listen to this one. Yeah, it doesn't matter what strategy you learn, how much time you spend on YouTube researching and learning about forex, and what books you go about buying and reading, if you do not know the time frame that you are planning to trade with and comfortable with, then to be honest with you, there is not really much success that is coming out from it. So guys, I'm going to show you how top-down analysis works and how you can use it to take a trade. Please, before we continue, if you really found yourself coming back on this channel over and over again but you have not subscribed yet, please head down to subscribe below, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button below. It will mean a lot to me and the growth of this channel. Welcome back guys. So I'm so excited to share this amazing topic with you guys. Top-down analysis is really important to know how to use top-down analysis to take trade. So let's continue, let's get it going. So what is top-down analysis? Top-down analysis is a technique that combines the analysis of multiple time frame and market factors to gain a comprehensive understanding of the market condition. So as a price action trader, your primary time frame is the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily and weekly price action. Price action works on bigger time frame. If you try to trade candlestick chart patterns on the 5 minutes time frame, you will lose your money, I bet you, because there's a lot of noise on smaller time frame and the market will generate a lot of false signals because of the hard battle between the bears and the bulls. Besides, there is no successful price action trader who focuses on one time frame to analyze his chart. No. So it's essential to begin with bigger time frames to get the big picture, and then you switch to smaller one to decide whether to buy or sell the market. So let's say you want to trade the 4-hour chart. You have to look at the weekly first and then the daily chart. Now, if the weekly and the daily chart analysis are aligned with the 4-hour chart, you can then take your trading decision. And if you want to trade the 1 hour chart, you have to look at the daily chart first. This is critical step to do as a price action trader, because this will help you avoid low probability trading setups, and it will allow you to stay focused on high probability price action signals. So these are really the information we gather through top-down analysis. So number one is the most important support and resistance level. And please, if you haven't watched my support and resistance lesson, I would recommend you to go back, click on this link and watch my support and resistance lesson. I mean, it's going to help you a lot. So the support and resistance are area represent turning point in the market. If you can identify them on the weekly chart, you will know what is going to happen when the price approaches these levels on the 4-hour chart. So you will decide either to buy or sell, or to ignore the signals you get from the market. So number two, the market structure. The weekly analysis will help you identify if the market is trending up or down, or is ranging or chopping market. In general, you will know what the big investors are doing, and you will try to find a way to follow them on the smaller time frame using price action strategy. And number three, the previous candle. The last candle on the weekly chart is very important because it tells us what happens during a week, and it provides us with valuable information about the future market moves. So now when you identify these points using the weekly chart, you can now move to the daily chart or the 4-hour chart or 2-hour chart, try to gather information such as one, the market condition, what the market is doing on the 4-hour time frame. Is it trending up? Is it trending down? Is it ranging? Is it like shopping market? So number two, what are the most important key level on the 4-hour or daily time frame? This could be support and resistance, supply and demand areas or trend lines. Number three, price action signal, a candlestick pattern that will provide you with a signal to buy or short the market. This could be a pin bar, an engulfing bar, or any other candlestick pattern. But in this video, actually, I will be using morning and evening star candlestick pattern because those are what I use in price action signals. So now let me show you guys a practical example of what I have been saying, of what I've been talking about on live chat. So let's go. So guys, I'm on my live chat right now. As you guys can see, this is USD JPY. So let's say I want to trade this. I want to analyze market, like I want to find a place to enter the market. So the first thing you have to do is to switch to higher time frame, which is 1 week. As you guys can see, I'm in 1 week right now, 1 week, right? So the first thing you need to do is to zoom out. For you to be able to know what the market is doing, you have to zoom out like 5 or 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have zoomed out, right? So you are able to see what the market is doing. And remember what we say, once you zoom out, you are about to identify the support and resistance, which is why you are on weekly time frame, to gather some information that will make you execute market in smaller time frame. So what are the information that we're going to get here? As you guys can see, these are my support, these are my resistance level. So let me plot it. So if you still drag this to the end or to here, you see that many times the market respected this level. So this area right now represents turning point in the market. If you can identify them on this weekly chart, you will know what the market is going to happen when it approaches this key level in 4-hour or 2-hour or 1-hour time frame, whichever it be, like whichever like you want to trade on. But me, I prefer trading on 1-hour time frame. So I usually come to weekly time frame to analyze my market first, to see what the market are doing, to see what the investors are doing, then switch to like smaller time frame and take a trade. So right now, let's continue. Right now, as you guys can see, this market, this price approaches to this level. Like there's a lot of people that would have open from this market. They will be like, okay, let me just go, let me buy, I want to buy. Then you buy and you found out that this market just came here and couldn't break this level. Yeah, it couldn't break it because it's like a powerful key level that will stop the market from going up. That's why you have to be able to identify those powerful key level. So here actually is a powerful key level that will make market not to cross here. It's going to be very, very hard for market to break this point. You feel me? So let's just play and see what this market is gonna do. You see? Now this market came here and retested here and couldn't break it and start going downward, which is like continuation of down trend. So like a lot of people would have like opened from here, then thinking that this market is going up, forgetting. That's why it's very essential, it's very important for you to see what the market is doing. So let's just switch to like a daily time frame to see what you see. This market now gave us like, you see what this market gave us here. This market actually gave us like a evening star. As you guys As you guys like can see, this is like evening star, and usually I love trading evening star and morning star. And if you haven't watched my evening star and morning star video, I will advise you to go back and watch it so you can know how to identify evening and morning star candle pattern. So this is called evening star, and whenever you see this evening star on resistance level, it means that the market is likely to revise. It's a reversal pattern. So whenever I see this 3 candle, it's saying that this market is about to revise down. So let's just say you see this candle pattern here. All you have to do is to like go short. Then you can still go to like 4 hour and see. You see what this market did here. So that's why it's very important to always analyze your market in big time frame. You see, this is a lot of pips. It's a lot of pips. So once you're able to identify what the market is doing on higher time frame, then you switch to smaller time frame to take your trade. A lot of time my students and a lot of people on my DM, they be like, yeah, I don't know how to enter, I don't know the best place to enter market. This is how you do it. Go to higher time frame, analyze your market. I don't know the candlestick pattern you usually use in trading, but I personally use morning star and evening star. So once you analyze your market in bigger time frame, switch to smaller time frame and take your trade. It's so simple. As you guys can see what I did here, I came here and saw what the market is doing, and I figured out that there is like a powerful key level that when this market approaches this key level, it won't break it. That's why it's very essential for you to know top-down analysis. So the market approaching to here, to this support, to this resistance level, and couldn't break it, then you have to know that any trade that you're taking is down. You are selling it from here. Once this market like gave you like a candlestick pattern here, as you guys can see, it gave me like candlestick pattern. It gave me like a look. You see, this is like evening star. It means that this market is going downward. So any trade that you are taking on 1 hour time frame is down. You feel me? Any trade that you're taking on 1 hour is down. The market is going down. So that is so simple. I don't know if you guys really found value but if you really do find value in this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and share. It will mean a lot to me and the growth of this channel. Thank you.